Turn your head front and back. Breathe deeply here. And then turn your head right and left side. Your chin down and turn left side. Exhale to the center and turn right side. Exhale, turn to the center and continue doing this exercise 10 times. Inhale and open your hands. Open your elbow. Exhale, twist. Inhale, open your elbow. Exhale, twist. And again 10 times. Breathe deeply here. And exhale. Turn your head to the left side, hold your hand and stretch. Turn your head to the right side, hold your hand and stretch. And exhale, 3. Exhale, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Inhale and bring your left arm back between your shoulder and keep it. Breathe deeply here. Inhale and bring your right arm back between your shoulder. Inhale, stretch your arms up. And exhale, stretch your arms forward and up. Exhale and rotate your shoulders forward. Make a circle 10 times. Rotate your shoulders back. Make a circle 10 times. Put Put your right elbow on the mat and stretch left hand. Exhale and put your left elbow on the mat and stretch right hand. Exhale and free. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale. Your palms together, hands behind your back. We bring shoulders blades together, so do it. This is last exercise. Well done. We are finished. Thank you so much.